Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to easily save selection as PDF with Kutools for Excel. This tutorial will introduce the export range to file utility of Kutools for Excel. It can help you save a selected range as a PDF file easily. Please do as follows. Select the range you want to save as a PDF file and then click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on the Import and Export drop-down list and click on Export Range to File utility. In the Export Range to File dialog box, you need to select PDF option in the File Format section. If you want to keep the formatting, row heights and column weights of selection, please check the Preserve Formatting, Preserve Row Heights and Preserve Column Weights options in the Workbook Options section. Click the Browse button to select a folder to save the PDF file. Click the OK button. If you want to directly open the PDF file after exporting, please check the Open the File After Exporting box. Click the OK button. Now another Export Range to File dialog box pops up. Type a name for the PDF file in the box and then click the OK button. Now the selection is successfully saved as a PDF file. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe for more videos.